This lesson is 8.4 in Go Math, the homework. So the title says multiply a fraction or mixed number by a whole number. The directions say multiply, write the product as a mixed number. Very good. So if we just look at number 1, we're going to do 5 times 3 tenths. What is 5 times 3 tenths? 15 tenths, but we can't leave it like that because the direction said to write it as a mixed number. So then we just divide it. We just do 15 divided by 10. 10 times what is less than 15? 1, yeah. 10 times 1 is 10. Okay, 15 minus 10 is 5. If I write it, should you? Yeah. So 5 is a remainder. So we write the whole number quotient as the whole number here. The remainder is the numerator, and the divisor is the denominator. Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay, everyone's doing number 3 with me. 5 times 3 fourths. Think and say.
15 fourths.
15 fourths. But is that written as a mixed number? No, so we just have to divide it. We have to go 15 divided by 4. Good. 4 times what is less than 15?
3.
3, right. 3. Okay, so 4 times 3 goes here. And 4 times 3 is what? 12. Good. We use 12 out of 15, so we
Have
subtract. And how many are left?
3.
3.
That's the
So 3 is our whole number. Our quotient is our whole number. Our remainder is our numerator. And our denominator is the 4 here. So the answer is 3 and 3/4. Let's look at number 6 because we've got a mixed number already. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times 1 plus 5 times 1/6. So 5 times 1 is what? 5. So we do 5 times 1 equals 5. Now we're going to do 5 times 1/6 equals what? 5/6. Okay? And if you were lining these up, it would look like that and you just add. So 5/6 plus nothing is 5/6. And 5 wholes plus nothing is 5. So your answer is 5 and 5/6. Okay, very good. Let's do number 8. Okay? So, let's read it and do cube. Ready? Go. A recipe for quinoa calls for 2 2/3 cups of milk. Connor wants to make 4 batches of quinoa. How many batches? How many batches? 4. Okay. How much milk does he need? Let me show you a different way. So let's draw 4 boxes because we have 4 batches, right? And what is going to go in each of these boxes?
2.
Let's try that again. How many? 2 2/3, right? So if we did 2 2/3, 2 2/3, 2 2/3, and 2 2/3. Let me just show you what it would look like if you added these. So let's go ahead and do the whole numbers. So we have 2 how many times? 4. Yeah, what's 2 times 4? 8. Okay, so we have 8 wholes there. Now let's do our fractions. It's 4 times 2/3, right? We have 2/3 4 times. So what is 4 times 2/3? 8/3, right. 8/3. So 8 plus 8/3. But can we write our answer like that? No, because there's a hole in that 8/3, right? So let's just go ahead and find the holes in 8/3 so we can divide it. Let's do 8 divided by 3. 3 goes into 8 how many times? 2. Good. And 3 times 2 is 6. We take 6 from 8 and we get 2. So now we have 8 wholes plus 2 wholes and 2/3, right? Is there anything else that we can do?
Add 8.
Yeah, we're going to add the whole number. So 8 wholes plus 2 wholes is what?
10 holes.
Yeah, if you wanted to look at it, it would look like 8, just to make connections, it would look like 8 plus 2 and 2/3. Does that look familiar? Yeah. Yeah, so 2/3 plus nothing is 2/3. And 8 wholes plus 2 wholes is 10. So our answer is, how much milk does he need? 10 and 2/3 cups of milk. And let's just box the question so it's easier to correct. Okay, let me just talk through number 9. It says, write a word problem that you can solve by multiplying a mixed number by a whole number. Include a solution. Now think of something that you like a lot. If you like cookies, okay? Let's say I have 4.5 cookies that I need to make, like I have 4 friends that want 4.5 cookies each. Okay, how many cookies do I have to make? Something like that. Okay? Pick something that you enjoy thinking about and just make a fraction and mixed number out of it. Okay? Ready? Go.